Hey everyone, this is Tyler here with Big Lakes Dodge here in High Prairie, Alberta. Today we're going to be talking about this 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude 4x4. This one has the Altitude appearance package and it's Baltic Gray Metallic. This comes with global black and global black seats, and they have bucket seats. They're caprice leatherette seats with suede inserts. And then the engine we're running on this is a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine with stop and start. And it has 8-speed torque flight automatic transmission. This Jeep comes with Jeep Wave customer care, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, pedestrian cyclist emergency braking, and full speed forward collision warning plus. And this one also comes with a blind spot monitoring and rear cross path detection for so when you're driving and then you're in between two vans or something you can't see, you have that cross path detection. So when you're reversing out, it will when you're reversing out, it'll let you know when something's coming in between you and you'll be able to stop. It'll give you a little notification. It also comes with a little tow package, which is in here. You just take this off and you got a little hitch there. It comes with trailer sway control as well. And you also got your little camera for your backup. You got your trailer sway control. I think I already mentioned that. Your four-wheel traction control, electronic stability control. It also comes with a rear seat reminder alert. All right, let's go take a look inside. Another one on the passenger side here. You got storage down here. Got your lock and unlock. You got your one-touch window. And then there also safety windows. So you put your arm up like this. And then it automatically goes down. Pop that back up. You got your nice caprice leatherette seats with the suede inserts here. Got all this nice accent stitching here for you. Nice different types of materials here. Accent stitching on the dash. You got the owner's manual, warranty information, all that stuff that you need. Let's go take a peek in the back here. Now that we're in the back seat, passenger side, you just got your lock controls, and then it's no longer a one-touch window. They're locked, so that's why I didn't roll down. Got your storage cup holders. You got nice little netting back here, so you can keep some maps and stuff like that for when you're driving around. More caprice leatherette seats with the stitching here and suede inserts. You also got your cup holder, so when you're driving around road tripping, take a stop at McDonald's. Got kids in the back, you don't want them to spill anything, right? And then this is 60-40 split bench seat here. So you pop this down. And then you'll be able to pop that back up. No problem. And let's go take a peek in the back here. You got some nice wheels on here and nice rims as well. Got nice flaps on there, front and rear. I got front flaps there and rear. And then you can do this with this one as well here. Let me show you. Got your key and focus. And you pop that open. Got all your stuff in here. You got your spare tire, full-size spare tire, your jack. You got your 12-volt DC plug in here. So when these seats are fully put down, let me show you real quick. So when our seats are fully put down, you can put a nice little air mattress in here, and you can run the pump through that DC plug-in. When you're going camping, you don't feel like staying in a tent. You want to stay in something more safe, so bears and stuff like that, lions and tigers and bears can't come after you. Sorry, it's a little inside joke there. But yeah, it looks nice, and then it'll be comfortable in here. And to pop this closed, you just hit that. Rear driver's side, you got more storage, nice stitching everywhere, all over the vehicle. You got that nice stitching. Got your lock controls, your window. You pop the seat up here. You got same type of seats, but it just folds a little bit farther than the other side. Got some more netting here for more storage. And you also got your USB-C. Oh, your camera's a little wonky there. You got your USB-C port plugins, USB plugins. You got your climate control, and then you got a nice little storage area right there if you want to put your phone in there. Keep it from rolling around. That'll be nice, won't it? All right, let's hop in the driver's seat. You got all your controls here, more storage. Got your locks, your window locks, your windows, and then you got your mirror controls. These mirrors come with their heated mirrors. So when you defrost your back window there, you see the lines on the back window. It'll defrost your window and it'll automatically turn on these, so there'll be no frost or nothing on them in the middle of the winter months. And then you got your lumbar control, and then you got your power seating. You got another nice seat here. You got your electronic park brake, and you got your light controls. And let's hop in and I'll show you what else is in there. Now that we're in the driver's seat here, you got your adaptive cruise controls settings and stuff like that. You got your voice control, and you can go through your settings here. You just click the OK once and you can pop it into miles, or you can switch it to digital. I like to keep it this way so you can keep track of the RPMs. And if you're going to the States, it's always nice to have it in miles, because then you don't have to keep track of it on your own with your own conversions running in your head. But we're in Canada, so we'll keep it on kilometers. And then you can go through your screen setup, which you can customize everything on the screen. Your temperature, you can change all that stuff. Your compass. It's fully customizable screen here. And then this screen here is a 10.25-inch display in the dash here. No stored messages, because if you can connect to your phone, it'll read your messages for you, all that stuff like that. And then if you sync your contacts, it'll be able to tell you who the message is from and read it all out for you. And then you could see what channel you're listening to. And it also comes with AM, FM radio, or it's Apple CarPlay capable and Google Android Auto capable. And you got your trips, all your vehicle information. You got your tire pressure, start and stop. I'm not buckled in right now because I'm parked. And the start and stop thing is up here as well. So if you want to turn it off, you just pop that on. And the thing is with that, when you're driving down the city and then you're hitting all this red lights, and instead of just wasting your gas while you're parked, it'll automatically shut off your vehicle, and then you'll save a lot of fuel money. Oh, sorry. And then you got your fuel economy, all your gauges, keeps track of that for you, your oil life, and then back to your tire pressure. And you got your adaptive cruise control. And the thing is with the adaptive cruise control, when you're driving down the highway and then somebody's in front of you and you hit cruise control, it'll keep pace with that vehicle instead of you just coming up on them. And this thing also comes with a wireless charging pad right here. So what you got to do is you just got to put your phone right here. And if your phone is equipped with wireless charging, like all the newer phones are, you'll be able to charge it up for you while you're driving instead of having to plug in a cord to these USBs or USB-Cs. And then you got your auxiliary input, another DC plug-in. You got heated seats. You got your heated steering wheel. And then you can turn your screen off if you're driving down the highway at night and it's too bright for you. Just keep the screen off, and then to turn that on again, you just tap it once. You got your active lane management, which is turned off right now. And the active lane management, what you do with that is that if you get too close to a yellow or a white line on each side, the steering wheel it'll pull you in to the proper lane you need to be in. And you got your traction control, and you got your park assist. It's turned off right now, and you also got your sport mode. I'll pop that on so you can see it there. You're ready to go racing on the track with the friends. Turn that off because we're in the lot here. Got a lot of apps you can choose from through here. You got all the SOS, Wi-Fi hotspot, your notifications, settings. And you got your screen off, tire fill alert, your passenger heat, your phone, your heated wheel, your FM radio, media, your notices, controls, device manager, driver's heat, and driver profiles. With the driver profiles, you can program each key to like have your own radio station, say if you're husband and wife and then sharing the vehicle. One key will be programmed to the things that you like in here, and then her key will be programmed to the things she likes in here. So keep in mind, if you have each other's keys and you think the radio is getting messed up, it's because it's programmed to the other key. And you got your backup camera. Let me show you that. That's always nice. It'll help you a lot. And then you got your Bluetooth, your comfort, activate services, AM radio, assist, audio settings, all that stuff. And you got some nice cup holders here. Nice little inserts here. Those always look nice. You got nice double stitching on your armrest. And you got storage in here for like pens or whatever you want to put in there. And you open it again, it's even deeper down there. And you even got a little light here for when it's nighttime. Let me show you a little bit more about the screen here. And it's fully customizable. So you can control your seats and your heated steering wheel from here. But you could also do it from up here. On, you turn your heated steering wheel on or off. 3 different levels for your heated seat. I'll just keep them off for now. You can even do it for the passenger side right there. Keep in mind that these are fully customizable. You can change these things like you want. On My Pages, you can reorder pages, add a page, delete a page. You can also switch these around to whichever is more comfortable for you. And then you got your media, AM, FM, you got your Bluetooth connections, USB connections. You got your climate controls, and this is what you would hit if you wanted to frost your back window and your mirrors in the middle of winter when it's all frosty. We don't need those on right now. Your phone connections, and then you got your vehicle information, which shows your profile, your display, safety and driving assistance, your clock and date, phone, Bluetooth, camera, mirrors and wipers. And I forgot to mention that these comes with automatic rain sensing wipers, so when you're driving down the road and it detects rain on here, it'll automatically wipe them off. Excuse me. Lights, brakes, doors and locks, seats and comfort, key options, key off options, audio, notifications, SiriusXM setup, software updates, sorry, system information and reset. Got all that stuff right here. Take a peek through all this stuff. There's so much stuff. And I already showed you the apps. And then you also got, you can open your rear hatch by pushing that. And then to close it, you just hit it again. This one also comes with a sunroof. And then you got your SOS. And then your open and close. And then it's raining right now. Otherwise, I would show you how it looks with the sunroof open and stuff. Got your lights. And then it's fully on, all of them. You got your SOS and your roadside assistance. And the thing about the SOS is that if you get in an accident and then you can't call the cops yourself or the ambulance or anything like that, it'll automatically dispatch emergency services to your location. It'll shut off your fuel. It'll turn on all your interior lights, and it'll put on your four-way hazards. And that'll always be nice and safe, so in case you're like on the side of the road and people can't see you in the middle of the night. With these vehicles, they will be able to see you because your hazards will automatically turn on. They'll automatically engage. All your lights in the interior will turn on, and you'll also have your fuel shut off so you don't have fuel spilling everywhere. So it's a lot less of a hazard, and that'll always be nice, and if safety is a priority for you. All right, everyone, if you liked everything you've seen here, oh, sorry, one more thing before you go. This one also comes with the paddle shifters. Down gear, up gear for the sport mode. I already showed you the sport mode up there to engage it. That's just the one thing I forgot. All right, everyone, if you like this vehicle, if you want to come stop by Big Lakes Dodge and book a test drive, don't hesitate to reach out and give us a call here. The phone number here is 780-523-5007. Thank you. Have a good day.